Hello, how are you doing today? So right now we'll be talking about how you can set up advertisements on your ads manager, that is your ads manager app. Okay, so this is Facebook ads manager app. You can go to your Google Play Store, or you can go to your app store to download ads manager. Okay, so right now I'll be logging into the account, the Facebook profile account of the owner of the iChat place. Okay, then I'll log in. So let's do that right away. If you want to use this ads manager, that is the ads manager's app, you need to have already have an ad account on your Facebook business site account. Okay, remember we created another account, that is Aishatu's place, on the account or on the Facebook business site. So this is the ad account now. So if you want to select the ad account you just created, just click over here, then select the ad account you created, or the ad account you want to use to run advertisements. Okay, so don't forget that we have already linked our Facebook page to this ad account. Right now I'll be showing you the interface of this application. So instead of you to now go into Facebook business site all the time to be setting up advertisement, you can actually do it over here, and you can still do it better from here. Okay, we want to know how much is inside our ad account, how much we have for our ad account. Don't forget that we added the payment method to our ad account, which is pay you Facebook payment method. If you have been following this lecture properly, you will remember that we created a payment method for our ad account, if you remember. So now we want to check how much is inside our ad account. Remember we added 500 naira, so let's see if it is still there. So click on settings over here, then click on payments over here. So you can see it says billing and payments. You see it says prepaid funds 500 naira. So this is the amount you have. So if you want to add more money to your ad account, you just click on add funds, and it will take you over here. And instead of you to click on debit or credit card, you already know that you're supposed to select Naira payments with MasterCard. So click on this, then you will click on add funds and click on continue. Then you can put your card number and every details, then you can make payments. Okay, so that is how to make payments for your advertisements on this app. So if you want to create an advertisement, you click on this plus sign over here, or you click on this create. Okay, so right now I'll click on this create. Then it's asking me that what's your marketing objective. Do you want to promote your video? Do you want people to visit your website? Do you want people to message you? So I'll just use message objective for now. Click on message objective. So over here I can add image from camera roll, add images, and from Instagram. So right now I'll go into my camera roll and select a picture. Camera roll. So right now I've selected a picture, then click over here, then I've added the image, and it is telling me that I should select the destination the people should message. Is it on Instagram? Is it on WhatsApp business? Is it on Messenger? So I've selected just Messenger and Instagram. So right now I'll scroll down, I'll write the headline, then I'll come down here, I'll write primary text. I can just say I'll just write any text, that is any long text about the advert. I can just say we are into sales of baby wears, and we can deliver to so place. When we get to where we can create content, how to create content, you will know how to write all these things. Okay, so just write something over here, that's the primary text. Then you want to select the call to action. Do you want them to call you to shop, to click on shop now? Do you want them to learn more about the product? Do you want them to sign up for something? Do you want them to get more offer? Or do you want them to say, do you want to tell them to send message? So right now, because I'm running an advertisement about them sending message, I'll just select send message. So let's scroll down again. If somebody come into your chat box and they want to chat you about the products you advertise, you want to give them a template, and that is why this message template is there for message advertisement. You don't want somebody to come into your chat and start saying, hello, hi, good afternoon, please, what size do you have, or something. You don't want them to go through that stress. Okay, you want to create this advertisement like a professional. So if you are creating a message advertisement that you want people to message you, you want to make sure that you have a template of the kind of message you want them to send to you. Now you want to tell them what to say. It's not as if you are telling them that, hello, when you enter my message, when you click on my message button, say this. That's not what you are saying, but you are giving them an idea of how to start chatting you. Okay, so you want to edit this message template. Greeting text. So this first line, this first greeting text, you want to edit it. It's the first greeting text is saying, hi, please let us know how we can help you. That's what the greeting text is saying. So immediately somebody click on that message us button. Once they click on it like this and they come into your chat box, this is what it will tell them. It will tell them, hi, please let us know how we can help you. Let me write my own and come back to explain it to you. So over here you can see what I've written. I said, hello, welcome to Khartoum Corridor. Let me know. So I supposed to say, please let me know how we can be of help to you, or please let us know how we can be of help to you. So you want to correct that. So hello, that is just a template. So you are telling that customer immediately they come into your message button and they come into your chat box that hello, they should please let you know how you can be of help to them. Okay, then you want to scroll down. Then this question 1 is saying, can I learn more about your product? That is a template you are giving to your customer. Okay, so don't use can I learn more. Let's say you are selling products that are in different sizes, and then you can write this template question over there. What sizes are available? This first question, I said what sizes and colors are available. Okay, so since you are selling baby wears in this advertisement, you cannot just go ahead and write all the sizes and all the colors that are available on your advertisement, because it's an advertisement. Okay, so if you put, maybe you make a video of where a child is wearing the baby wear, okay, and you put that video and it just pop up and somebody watch the video. Okay, so they now want to buy from you and they come into your chat box, and the first thing that will pop up is, hello, welcome to Khartoum Corridor, let me know how I may be of help to you. Okay, then this list of questions, this what size and colors are available, can you tell me more about your ad, is anyone available to chat? All these questions will now be under this greeting text. All the question will be under the greeting text. If you want to know how it will look to your customer, click on preview down here. After this question 3, click on preview. These questions will pop up. Then once the person puts their finger on maybe what size and colors are available, once they click on it, it will send to you. Okay, then you will receive it, then you can answer them. So let's preview in Messenger. Click on preview in Messenger, and this is how it will look for the customer. It will look like this. It will have the name of the business page. It will have the greetings message. Then it will have the template of the questions I've already typed. You can see it over here. So that is it. Let's go back to our ad app. We have previewed it. We have seen how it will look. Then our customers can make use of those message templates. Let's go back. So you can scroll down here. Then you will see placements. Placements just means where you want to place your advertisements. Do you want to place it on Instagram, or only on Facebook feed, or only on Facebook story? Where do you want your advertisement to run to? So click on placements. It has automatically recommended some placements for you, but for you want to place it on manual mode, because you don't want it to just run advertisements almost everywhere. No. So let's click on manual. So now that we click on manual, if you scroll down here, you will see that it's brought us all the device type, all the platforms they are advertising for us on. Now I want to make sure it's advertised on only phones, only mobile, because I don't want to advertise on desktop. If you advertise on desktop, not everybody use desktop or laptop to visit Facebook. So most of the people have Facebook apps on their phone and they use it on their phone. So it's better to use mobile, because 98% of people use this mobile to visit Facebook. So use mobile. So click on this device type, click over here, then untick desktop, let it remain only mobile. So click on done. Where do you want to advertise? Which platform do you want to advertise on? So for me, I want to advertise on only Facebook. Reason, if you want to advertise on Facebook, Instagram, and Audience Network together at a time, you can do that. No problem. It's your choice. Okay, it will even expand your choices. But for me, I usually like knowing where my customers are coming from. I like knowing that, okay, this advertisement that I ran to Instagram, most of the people are coming from Instagram. Okay, the one I ran from Facebook, okay, 50% of the people are coming from Facebook, 30% are coming from Instagram. So if you want to really know where your customers are coming from, it is better you advertise on different places at a time. Don't advertise on all these platforms at the same time. Advertise on this platform, each of them at a time. So if it is Facebook you want to advertise on it, then duplicate that advertisement and run that advertisement to Instagram if you also want to do it to Instagram. If you also want to do it to Audience Network, duplicate that advertisement again and run it again to Audience Network. So now I will just select only Facebook. So I want it to be on all Facebook, okay? But Instagram, I want to untick everything. Then I'll click on this mark sign. Then Audience Network, I'll untick everything. I will click on clear all. Then I'll click on this tick button over here. So I'm done with that. You can see it says Instagram none, Audience Network none. Then Messenger, I don't want to advertise on inbox or stories, so I will click on clear all. Then I'll click on this tick button. So I'm done with that. I only selected Facebook. You can see that I selected all Facebook, but none on Instagram, none audience on Audience Network, none on Messenger. So right now I'm done with that. Then when you are done with this, in order to save all the things you have done over here, click on this tick button so that it will save all your details. Then you want to come and preview how it will look on every platform you have already selected. So down here, click on preview all. You can preview this already, but click on preview all at this corner. This is how it will look on our Facebook mobile feed. So that is it. I think we are set to continue. So if you will want to continue, we'll click on this arrow key that goes forward, or we can just click on the next icon over here. So right now it says who should see your ad. Good. Who are those people that you want to see your advertisement? Is it people that liked your page? Are you setting it to only people that liked your page? So if you are setting it to only people that liked your page, you can click over here. But I don't want to do that. I want to create a bigger audience. Okay, so click on edit audience over here. The first thing we see up here is the location. It says include these locations. Okay, so I want to include only maybe Abuja, or only Ibadan, or only Lagos, or only anywhere I select. Okay, so you can say include these locations. You can see it is United States. I am not living in United States. I'm not selling to United States. So I want to sell to people that are only in Abuja. So I'll click on include this location. Then I will click on this search location. Then I'll search for it. I want to search for Abuja. So you can see Federal Capital Territory. That is a region. So let me just select all Federal Capital Territory. So Federal Capital Territory. Then I've selected Federal Capital Territory. Then I will click on this tick button so that it will save it for me. Don't forget to do that. What age range are those people that I want to buy from me? I know that I'm selling baby wears, and I know that a 18-year-old child may not have baby, and I know that a 50-year-old woman may also not have baby. So definitely I want to select around 20 years old to 50 years old. Okay, the reason I'm saying that is because 50-year-old may not have baby, but they may have somebody that have baby. So I'll just use this to select the age range I want. I'll just scroll. You can see I've changed it to 20. Then I'll click on this here, and I'll go to 50. What gender do I want to sell to? Because I'm selling baby wears, I can't advertise to men, because I know most of men don't have time to do that. So I'll select women. Women are the ones more concerned about baby wears, about baby things. So I'll do that. Then it says detailed targeting. So on this detailed targeting, this detailed targeting, we explained it on the website. We explained this place on the website. I said if you are selling something, you have to sit down and think about those people that may be interested in the products you are selling. Is it people that are, like now that we are selling baby wears, we know that new mothers will love buying baby wears. We know that newlywed will like baby wears. We know that mother of 0 to 2 years old will like baby wears. So we want to select based on those interests or behaviors. Okay, so and you can see over here it says improve to ad delivery. Okay, it says add demographics, interest, and behaviors. So those are the things that detailed targeting is all about. Okay, and if you don't target those people very well, Facebook may just advertise to almost everybody. And even if Facebook advertise to almost everybody, it's not making sense, because you already know the type of people that are supposed to buy your product, and your advertisement money will be running if just anybody anyhow is being advertised to. Okay, so you want to click on include people who match. Click on here. Here you can see that we have a search bar. So if you have people that you think you already think will have interest, you can search for them here. But let's say you don't have anybody, or you have not thought about anybody that may be interested in that kind of product you are selling. So that is how you will now come here. So these are the ones I've used before, but I don't want to use these ones. I want to come to browse. You'll come to browse, then you will click on interests over here. Interests. Click on interests here. You will start looking for people you think will be interested in what you are selling. So click on business industry. Let's look for people that we think may be interested. We know that people that are interested in business may be interested in buying what we are selling so that they will resell. So we can also add them. Click on this plus sign to scroll down again. People that are into sales can also be interested. Click on it. People that are into retail can also be interested. If those people are interested, they can buy wholesale from us, right? Okay, so small businesses can also be interested. If we are selling in bulk, we can select all these things. Okay, then online interest, click on it and see which online interest is available that may be suitable for you. So all these online interests are not suitable, so I'll go personal finance. I don't think that is needed over here. I don't think so. Okay, so let's go back. Click on this X button up here. Then we can select entertainment. What kind of interest do you think, what kind of movie, what kind of games do you think they may be interested in? For me, I don't know, so I will not select anything over here. Then I don't want to, then make sure you don't narrow your, don't select too much or too many. Okay, too many interests, don't select it. You just want to be specific, like you just want to have like maybe 7 to 10 interests. Okay, or sometimes you may feel like having 5 interests that you select, 5 interests, or maybe two behaviors, whatever. Okay, whatever you think they may be interested in, just select. Okay, shopping and fashion, click on it. So we want to look into clothing, those people that like buying clothes, children clothing. So you select children clothing since we are selling children clothes. Toys, you may select toys too, because you know people that buy toys online, most of the people that buy toys online have babies, so you can select that too. Then fashion accessories, no, 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 no. Beauty, no, that's okay. So hobbies and activities, I don't want to select any other thing under here. It's getting too much. You can see all the ones I've added. You see all the ones I've, business, sales, retail, small business, children clothing, toys. So I'll come down and select more. Okay, so right now I want to go to their behaviors. Most of the time, whenever I click on the behaviors, I usually come to the mobile device users. So, and I usually select people that have access to Facebook on all their mobile devices. So this is it, Facebook access mobile, all mobile devices. This thing is technical and it requires you to sit down and think about what you really want. So come to browse again, demographics. So demographics, education, work, parents. So I'll click on this parents, then I'll say all parents. Then I want to select the kind of parents I think will be interested in buying baby wears, right? So I'll say new parents 0 to 12 months, parents of 1 to 2 year old, parents of children that are 6 to 8 year old, parents of children that are 3 to 5 years old. So those are the parents that may be interested in buying children clothes. Okay, that's all with this, since it is children's wear we are selling. And if you want to select more interests, no problem, you can still come to this browse again over here, down here, and select. So these are the ones we have selected up here. You can see added up here. So once we are done selecting all we want, then we can click on this mark sign. So now we have narrowed down our audience. You can see it says performance may be affected, and it says your audience is defined and has an estimated audience of size of 480,000 people to 570,000 people. So now have 480,000 to 570,000 people to advertise to. But if I am you, if I want to increase the amount of people I'm selling to, because the amount of people I'm selling to has to be increased, at least 2 million, 3 million is okay. Okay, so if it is increased, if it expands, it will enable me to know, it will enable me to reach more people. Okay, select more so that you get to increase how many people you are reaching. Once you are done with that, click on this mark sign. So it says update existing audience, save as new. So I want to save it as new audience. So if I want to save it as new audience, I want to put name baby wears. So I'm naming the audience baby wears. So I'm done with that. I'm done with the audience creation. And see that we are still on the audience creation. So if you click on update audience over here, it will bring you to those audience you have created before. But if you click on baby wears, it will bring you to all the audience you just created for baby wears. So click on this place. So this is where you select how many days you want to use to run your advertisements and how much money you want to spend on your advertisements. So according to me, I prefer you selecting days for your advertisements. Is it that you want to run it for 3 months? So for me, I'll say, and this naira 95 naira daily budget is too small. If you really want to reach out to more people at a time and you want to make sales very well, so make sure you have, I usually say that if you have much more products to sell, you can, if you are testing, don't use too much money. Okay, you can use this naira 95 naira. But if you want to really sell, if you have tested the products and you know that people are interested in it and you want to really sell the products now, what you need to do is to increase the amount you are spending per day. So you can spend like 2,000 naira per day, 1,000 naira, 90 naira per day. Come down here, you can see run ads. Do you want to schedule the ad? You can see schedule. If you want to schedule the ads, that is when you will come down here. So these 7 days, you can just increase it to 1 month. Okay, you can increase it to 1 month. So for me, we know that 1 month is 30 days, right? So we can keep increasing the days till we reach 30 days. So now we know it will run for 1 month. Your ad will run until 30th October 2022. You will spend up to 59,700 for the advertisement. Okay, let's say you have a nice picture of the product and you want to sell the product for 30 days. You want to run the advertisement for 30 days. So if you start running the advertisement, you put your money and you start running the advertisement, and you want to see how the advertisement will perform for 4 days. Okay, look into how the advertisement will perform for 4 days. How it performs depends on how many people click the link, or how many people come to message you, and how many people really buy the product. So if you see that between 5 days you make sales of like 10, you make 10 sales, then the advertisement is making sense. You want to leave it. But if you are not making sales at all in that 5 days, although it may be like you are wasting money, but don't worry. Okay, if you don't make sales at all in that 5 days, then you can stop that advertisement and check what is wrong about the advertisement. Maybe the picture is not nice enough that to catch people's eye, or maybe the video you upload about the picture is not nice enough for people to stop by. So that is all about how you can set your advertisement for it to be up and running. Okay, so once you are done with that, you want to click on this over here. Then it will take you to where you can review what you have done about your advertisement. You can see the advert. This is the headline, and this is the image. This is how it looks. If you want to make any changes, you can just, maybe you want to make changes about the headline, just click on headline over here, and it will take you back to where you can correct your headline. Then you can come back to this arrow key again, then come back again, then it will bring you back here. So whichever one you want. Once you are done, do you want to save it or do you want to place order immediately? Click on place order immediately. So right now you can see we have placed the order for our advertisements. So that is just how you can set advertisements for your business. Okay, that's how to advertise your products on Facebook. So if you have any question related to advertisements, we may be uploading more videos about Facebook advertisements because we have not gone through the process of creating conversion ads, creating pixels. So we may be uploading more videos about Facebook advertisements. So if you have any problem about your advertisement, come to the general support group and talk about it, and you get answer to your questions. Have a nice day and take care of yourself.